Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Better Uptime for VPS service monitoring. Quick tutorial step-by-step clear. Visit the Better Uptime website in your web browser. Click on the Sign Up button located on the home page. Choose a registration option. You can sign up using your email address or link your Google account. If you choose to sign up with email, enter your email address and create a secure password. Agree to the terms of service by checking the box. Click on the Create Account button. You will receive a confirmation email. Open your email inbox and find the email from Better Uptime. Click on the verification link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Better Uptime website. Log in using your email address and password. After logging in, you will be directed to the dashboard. To start monitoring your VPS, click on the Add New Monitor button. Select the type of monitor you want to set up. For VPS service monitoring, choose HTTP's monitor. Enter the URL or IP. Set the monitoring interval to your preference. Choose the locations where you want the monitoring to occur. Configure the notification settings to receive alerts. Click on the Save Monitor button to complete the setup. You have successfully registered and set up VPS service monitoring with Better Uptime. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.